Arthropod, any member of the phylum Arthropoda, the largest phylum in the animal kingdom. About 84% of all known species of animals are members of this phylum. Arthropods are represented in every habitat on Earth and show a great variety of adaptations. Several types live in aquatic environments and others reside in terrestrial ones. Some groups are even adapted for flight. So in this video, we are going to discuss the arthropods of the animal world. But before starting the video, be sure to smash the like button and subscribe to never miss out on any of our videos. Scorpions. Scorpions are arthropods. They have 8 legs, 2 pedipalps, and a tail with a venom-injecting barb. Scorpions have 2 venom glands that produce venom used in hunting and self-defense. Scorpions do not have bones. Instead, they have an exoskeleton made of chitin, which is similar to the shell of a shrimp. Scorpions are found all across the world. There are over 2,000 different species found on 6 of the 7 continents. They prey on insects, arthropods, and in some cases small vertebrates. Because scorpions can live in such harsh environments, they have adapted the ability to slow their metabolism to as little as 1/3 the rate for most arthropods. This enables some species to use little oxygen and live on a single insect a year. Even with lowered metabolism, the scorpion has the ability to spring quickly to the hunt when the opportunity presents itself, something that many hibernating species are unable to do. Some species can have over 100 viviparous offspring, followed by young, climbing on the mother's back for 2 weeks until first molt and living independently. All scorpions are venomous. They use their venom to paralyze and kill their prey in self-defense. Spiders. Spiders are also arthropods, possessed of hard exoskeletons, segmented bodies, and jointed limbs. Spiders typically eat smaller arthropods such as gnats and flies, though they will eat any living thing they can catch, and some particularly huge spiders have been known to eat birds or rodents. Some spiders combine these 2 strategies, such as trapdoor spiders, which set traps by creating hiding places for themselves and then jumping out to grab unsuspecting prey animals. Crab. Crabs are members of the crustacean order. All crustaceans are members of the arthropod phylum. Arthropoda is the most diverse phylum on Earth and accounts for over 75% of all living things. Despite this diversity, crabs have a number of features that, when combined, distinguish them from similar creatures. Some creatures share a few of these characteristics, but no creature shares them all. Almost all crabs are decapods, meaning they have 10 legs. Horseshoe crabs, or Chela curata, have 8 legs and are more likely related to spiders. In this regard, crabs have a similarity to lobsters and crayfish. Shrimps. Shrimps are generally aquatic and differ from other arthropods in having 2 pairs of appendages, antennules and antennae, in front of the mouth, and paired appendages near the mouth that function as jaws. Because there are many exceptions to the basic features, found mainly in water, freshwater, seawater, and even inland brines, which may have several times the salt concentration of seawater. The sexes are normally, but not always, separate in crustaceans. Most individual barnacles have both male and female reproductive organs, simultaneous hermaphroditism, and in some groups the males when present are much smaller than the hermaphrodites. These dwarf males attach themselves to the interior of the mantle cavity of the larger individuals and fertilize their eggs. Barnacles. Barnacles develop from an egg into a larval stage in a manner similar to lobsters, shrimps, and crabs. Barnacles also possess the jointed appendages found in other crustaceans, but barnacles only display some of these characteristics as larvae. Once they become adults, barnacles remain hidden within a shelled fortress of their own making. Barnacles live in habitats that range from the intertidal zones to the skin of whales. As adults, many barnacles depend on currents to bring them food, which is captured with the barnacles' feather-like feet, which are known as cirripedia. The feet are repeatedly drawn through the water in a mesmerizing, sweeping motion to catch food particles. The food is then drawn into the shell where it can be ingested. Centipedes. Centipedes mostly eat insects after killing them with their venom. Centipedes have only 1 pair of legs on each body segment. These are easily spotted sticking out from their flattened bodies. The number of body segments varies with the species, and the pairs of legs vary from 15 to 177, plus or minus 1. Centipedes have an odd number of pairs of legs. The last pair trails behind the body. Centipedes have long antennae, and their back legs are nearly as long as their antennae. The antennae help them locate their prey, and their first pair of legs, modified into venomous claws, help them capture and paralyze their prey. Centipedes eat spiders, insects, worms, and other arthropods. The Amazonian giant centipede is over 12 inches in length and is said to eat frogs, mice, and lizards. Centipedes are attacked by lizards, scorpions, and birds. Centipedes are flexible, fast, and toxic. They use both their long back legs and antennae in escaping predators, speedily scuttling away between cracks in rocks, litter, and logs. Centipedes can quickly move backwards and sideways if necessary. In addition to poisoning animals with their venomous bite, centipedes can use their long back legs to squeeze a predator. Their venom includes several substances including histamines, serotonin, and cardiotoxins. Millipedes. Millipedes have 2 sets of legs per segment positioned directly under their body. Millipedes have 2 pairs of short legs on each body segment, a rounded body, and a hard external skeleton. The number of body segments varies with the species, but the number of pairs of legs generally ranges between 40 and 400. Millipedes have short antennae and move in slow waves, burrowing and eating their way through moist leaf clutter, fungi, and decayed plant material on the ground. Millipedes are attacked by shrews, toads, birds, and badgers. When attacked, millipedes curl their bodies into tight spirals to protect their soft undersides. This coil shape also protects their heads and legs. They sometimes burrow to bury themselves when disturbed, using their front legs to push away the soil. Many species of millipedes have defense glands called ossopores, which discharge a smelly and disgusting tasting liquid that drives off many predators. This liquid contains a variety of irritants including hydrochloric acid, phenol, and irritating ketones. Ticks. Ticks are found worldwide. They're blood-sucking opportunistic parasites that can attach to the skin in a variety of vertebrate hosts. They have no segmentation and are dorso-ventrally flat with 4 pairs of legs. Although all stages of the tick life cycle can suck blood, it is normally the adult tick that possesses a problem for humans. Human tick-associated diseases are the most common in the summer months when the likelihood of contact increases during outdoor activities, usually in wooded areas. Often the tick poses no problem for the human host other than an erythromatous papule, and it drops off after engorging on blood. Sometimes the site of attachment may itch and become painful. Secondary infections of the wound site may occur, often as a result of the mouthparts remaining attached after the tick is removed. Ticks can attach anywhere on the body, but are frequently found at the hairline, around the ears, groin, armpits, etc. Although most tick-associated problems arise from disease-causing organisms carried by the ticks, in one case, tick paralysis, the problem arises directly from toxins in the tick's saliva. Mites. Mites are small arachnids, or 8-legged arthropods. Mites span 2 large orders of arachnids, the Arachformes and the Parasitiformes, which are historically grouped together in the subclass Acari, but genetic analysis does not show clear evidence of a close relationship. Most mites are tiny, less than a millimeter or 0.04 inches in length, and have a simple, unsegmented body plan. The small size of most species makes them easily overlooked. Some species live in water, many live in soil as decomposers, others live on plants, sometimes creating galls, while others again are predators or parasites. This last type includes the commercially destructive varroa parasite of honeybees, as well as scabies mites of humans. Most species are harmless to humans, but a few are associated with allergies or may transmit diseases. Lobsters. With lobster being considered a luxury food today, it's easy to forget that lobsters are in the same family as spiders and ants. Crustaceans can grow bigger underwater than on land, and lobsters can grow to weigh nearly 50 pounds. Lobsters' body design has changed little in the last 100 million years, and their anatomy is spectacularly weird. The lobster's kidneys are located in its head, its brain in its throat, and its teeth in its stomach. Its ears for picking up sound are located in its legs, and its taste buds, like those of insects, are in its feet. Let us know your opinion in the comments section below. This was all for today. Hope you liked the video. Do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Stay safe, and we will be back soon with another video.